Hello, myself Sunil Ramesh. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is one of the question basically. So here basically Microsoft basically literally watched this video. Assume that basically Bill Gates basically watched this video, and he literally basically asked the question. Sunil, yaar, literally basically why I am staying in America, that only basically I am not able to understand. Because I basically asked the American government basically. Assume that basically he basically asked the question to the American government. Where is this text box equal to 1,000 cities basically? So American government told that these that take our basically into text box basically. Because he basically was asked the question by the one of the space center basically. Bill Gates basically, where is this 1,000 city basically, which is connected with this text box? This 1,000 city basically got disappeared. Text box basically will display basically that basically question basically they asked. So there was no answer basically with Bill Gates basically. So he basically first time basically he got nervous basically. Why? Because he was not able to give the answer basically. That also basically the space group basically, who basically trusted the Earth Planet software company basically. They trusted American government basically. They trusted American investor basically. That is the number one person, Elon Musk basically. So they basically started stopping trusting basically to the American investor also basically. Why? Because they have not tested this thing basically. And by chance basically, just assume basically something basically happened in universe basically. Due to this text box equal to 1,000 cities, somebody basically passed the conditions from text box only through universe basically. Then just see basically what are the things basically going to happen basically. So one of the person told that yes, here basically, even actually space centers basically should was not supposed to trust Earth planet. That question basically came into the picture basically. Because the person basically who created the software industry, he actually know that basically one day basically the one of the space group basically might ask the question basically. So one of the person basically asked the question, from where the Microsoft is getting the power supply. It is basically 1 lakh kilometer area basically of California, right? Microsoft is getting power supply from exactly from which land basically. SAP is getting power supply from exactly from which land. If condition is basically getting power supply for exactly from which land area basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more deeper basically.